In this video, we're going to install the Universal Discovery Probe software. For this install, you will need to make a remote desktop connection. The information on how to connect will be provided through the subscription that was requested from a previous video. Once connected, we're going to open up the Windows Explorer. On the D drive, we're going to go into the Workshop folder, and you'll find the UCMDB Dataflow Probe 2011 installation software. Right click, and we're going to run as administrator for the install. Follow the on-screen prompts as directed to continue with the install. In order to continue with the install, we need to agree to the license terms. We're going to do a full Dataflow Probe installation, and this will be a new installation. We're going to install this into drive D under the remaining default directory. We're going to connect this to UCMDB, not BSM. The information to connect to the application server should be provided by the workshop. In this case, I'm using 10.0.20.75. For the customer ID, you're going to want to retrieve the tenant ID for your SMAX tenant to go along with this installation. That will be obtained in the workshop as well. We don't need basic authentication. That option is actually a deprecated option, so we'll leave the defaults set to no. We'll leave the defaults for the probe identifier as well, and the default UCMDB domain. We will not be separating the probe gateway and the probe manager, so again we'll choose the defaults and leave this at no. We can leave the memory settings at default. And now we need to configure the password for the PostgreSQL database. The PostgreSQL root user account, the system administrator for the probe JMX console, and the upload scan file. Once we have everything in place, go ahead and install. This will take a few minutes. Once the packages have been installed, we can go ahead and remove the user level access to the installation folders. That completes the installation of the Universal Discovery Probe software.